Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. Add another vehicle to the YouTube page. It's a 2018 Chevy 4500. It's one of our handicap buses that we've got. This thing's only got 56,000 miles on it, in a really good shape. This is a gas version. It is a fold-out ramp version too. We'll demonstrate that later. Sitting on 6 brand new 10-ply tires that we put on it. Service down at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. This one's not going to be around here long. It's got power mirrors, CD, intercom system. Really nice and clean down the side here. Perfect for a wrap, for whatever you wanted to wrap it with and everything. Along the back, really nice and clean. No scrapes, no tears in the paint here. This is the roll-up lift system. I'm going to demonstrate this while Johnny does it, but you come in this way, and then it stows like so. So it's a, it's a passenger vehicle that they can step in and out of and stuff. And then it's also got the ramp there if you wanted to, wheel somebody in. Your locks are here on the floor that we have for it. Fold-up seating here. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This one folds up. This is stationary. Rear AC. Nice little handrails in here for them to be able to maneuver around and stuff. Lockdown tie downs are here for the wheelchair. Lockdown tie downs here for the wheelchair. Lockdown tie downs are back here also. And it also has a shoulder restraint here, shoulder restraint there. There's only 2 shoulder restraints with this. What? Yeah, I told him. Yeah, this one stows too. These all stow. This stows. You're going to have a, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a true 15 passenger, 16 with the wheelchair. But overall, it's in excellent shape. Really nice and clean in here. The floor is in great shape. Overall, it's a sweet vehicle. What I like about it is gas. I think the maintenance is a lot better and easier on you when there's gas. Seats are in excellent condition. 52,000 miles. Excuse me, I said 56,000 miles. So I want to do a correction on that. But go up to the front here. Little 6.0 Vortec 6.0 that's in it, Chevrolet. That rev up is for the air ride system that's with it too. That lowers whenever you do the ramp system and stuff. It lowers it down and stuff like that. So it's pressurizing up and down right now. So, but hey, we'd love to talk to you. Love to see you. If you got any questions about this new unit that we got here at Joseph Motors in Raleigh, North Carolina, we'd love to hear from you. Please give us a call at 919-661-2886, or you can hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. I'm Nick. That's Johnny on the other end of the line there. We appreciate it. Have a great day.